our salary is $84,700. And our state taxable income is going to be $84,700 minus the state standard deduction. And we look at our tax tables for that. Maryland standard deduction for someone filing single is $2,400. So I'm going to put that one in first. And standard deduction is the amount of money that you can earn without having to pay any taxes on it. So Maryland gives you the first $2,400 tax-free. Everything else gets taxed after that. So minus $2,400. Then we start looking at our brackets. So our taxable income, $82,300, is going to go into that first box. This is the amount of money we have to pay taxes on. So we've taken the standard deduction away. This is what's left, and we're going to start taxing it at each bracket. So Maryland's ones, the first three brackets each hold $1,000. So 0 to 1,000 is $1,000. 1,000 to 2,000 is also $1,000. And 2,000 to 3,000 is also $1,000. And then the next one holds $97,000. So the majority of people in Maryland are paying most of their taxes in the 4.75% tax bracket. High income earners, there's another $25,000 bracket after that, and then everything else gets taxed at 5.25%. So if you are a very large income earner, most of your income will get taxed at 5.25%. Now this is still much lower than the federal tax rates. Remember, federal tax rate goes up as high as 37%, state tops out at 5.25%. So you will pay less in state taxes than federal. So our first bracket holds $1,000. Our second also holds $1,000. I'm just going to fill in that information now while I'm here. And then we said the next one holds $97,000. And we're not going to need to go any further than that because that is much more than our taxable income. So we're going to tap out in the fourth bracket. So the amount allocated in the first bracket, it holds $1,000. It's less than what we have left. So we're going to put that full $1,000 in. And the tax rates, we have 2%, 3%, 4%, and 4.5%. I'm going to fill all of those in now too. 2% divide by 100, 0.02. 3%, 0.03, 4%, 0.04, and 4.75%, 0.0475. And that's going to be what we need to do our calculations. So the first one, $1,000 at 0.2%, sorry, at 2%, so 0.02, is $20. The next bracket, so we're going to pull down that 1,000 that we've paid taxes on. So now there is $81,300 left to be taxed. The next bracket also holds 1,000. So we're going to put that full 1,000 in, tax it at 3%, and that's going to be $30. $1,000 has now been taxed. There is $80,300 left to be taxed. This one also holds 1,000. So we drop that in. And that's $40 in taxes owed. Most people, as you can imagine, if they're making more than the standard deduction plus 3,000, so 5,400, they're going to be making it into the fourth tax bracket. So that's going to be every worksheet that we have, and most of you that are even working part-time will probably get into the fourth tax bracket with your part-time jobs if you are a high school student. So 1,000 has also been taxed, which means there is $79,300 left to be taxed. And that is less than the amount the bracket can hold. So the full amount is going to go in here to be taxed at 4.75%. So 79,300 times 0.0475. So we get $3,766.75. So we're done. We've taxed everything. There's nothing left in terms of taxable income. So now we add up all our taxes together. So 20 plus 30 plus 40 is 90, plus what we just did. So I'm going to add 90 to that. And my total state income tax is $3,000. $856.75.